Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 23rd video, we will focus on how to stop farm murders in South Africa. Farm murders in South Africa are a serious and complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach to address. Here are some steps that could be taken to help reduce the incidence of farm murders. 1. Improve law enforcement. The government can allocate more resources to improve the capacity and effectiveness of law enforcement agencies, particularly in rural areas where farm murders are more common. This could include increasing the number of police officers, improving training and equipment, and developing better intelligence gathering capabilities. 2. Address underlying social and economic factors. Farm murders are often linked to broader social and economic issues such as poverty, inequality, and land ownership disputes. The government could work to address these underlying factors, including implementing effective land reform policies and addressing rural poverty and inequality. 3. Community engagement. Engaging with local communities can be an effective way to build trust and encourage cooperation between farmers and local residents. Community policing forums, neighborhood watches, and other initiatives can help to create safer environments and prevent crimes. 4. Education and awareness. Educating farmers and rural residents about how to improve their own safety and security can be an effective way to prevent farm murders. This could include providing training on self-defense, security measures, and emergency response procedures. 5. Judicial reform. Ensuring that perpetrators of farm murders are brought to justice and held accountable can be an important deterrent. The government could work to improve the effectiveness of the criminal justice system, including strengthening investigation and prosecution procedures and ensuring that cases are properly and fairly adjudicated. Overall, addressing farm murders requires a comprehensive approach that includes improving law enforcement, addressing underlying social and economic issues, building community engagement, promoting education and awareness, and reforming the criminal justice system. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.